today let's start with chapter number 4, people and their job. We have different people around us and they do different types of jobs and they helps us in our daily work. You can see that we cannot do all the work ourselves. There are different people who helps us in doing the different work. They are called our helpers. Now, let's study the chapter. Where do you go when you want to get your hair cut? Where do you go? We go to barber. कहाँ जाते हैं हम? Barber. Then get your shoes repaired. Where do we go? We go to. Now get your clothes stitched. Where do we go to stitch our clothes? Tailor. Get your vehicle repaired. आपको अपनी व्हीकल रिपेयर करवाने जानी है तो आप कहाँ जाते हैं? मैकेनिक. You go to mechanic. Now these are the people who do different types of occupation. Now any work which is done by a person. देखो कोई भी काम अगर कोई भी person कर रहा है और वो उससे earn कर रहा है, ठीक है, वो उससे क्या कर रहा है? मनी अर्न कर रहा है, तो उसको क्या बोला जाता है? ऑक्यूपेशन. वी नीड मेनी थिंग्स सच एज फूड, क्लोथ्स, हाउस, ट्रांसपोर्ट, एजुकेशन, मेडिकल सर्विसेज. पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्रोफेशन मीट आर नीड्स. और जो लोग अलग अलग प्रोफेशंस के होते हैं दे मीट आर नीड्स. नाउ वर्कर्स. फर्स्ट इज वर्कर. पीपल ऑफ डिफरेंट प्रोफेशंस लिव इन आवर सोसाइटी. Some people do physical work, but they are called labor. There are many people who do physical work, what they are called laborers. Farmers, weavers, fishermen, tailors, hawkers. They are laborers. They do different kinds of job for us. देखो ना हमारे लिए अलग अलग तरीके के work कर रहे हैं. Now he is farmer. What he do? He grows rice, wheat, pulses and vegetables. Who is he? Weaver. He weaves clothes and makes dresses from this clothes. और इस clothes से वो क्या बनाता है? Dresses बनाते हैं. Fisherman catches fishes. Fisherman का क्या काम होता है? वो fishes catch करता. Then we have blacksmith. Makes plows, scissor and knives. And we use for cutting. Scissor देखा ना, हमें पेपर कट करना होता है, क्राफ्ट बनाना होता है, हम किसका यूज करते हैं? scissor का. A hawker sells things visiting localities. A rickshaw puller. What it takes? It takes us to different places and also carry our luggage. और हमारे luggage भी carry कर. His carpenter makes chair, table, beds, door, windows, almirah. किससे? With wood. A mason lays bricks to build our house. A mason क्या ले करता है? Bricks ले करता है और उससे वो क्या बनाता है? वो अपने houses बन. A boatman rows boat and he carries us as well as our luggage. जो हमें carry करता है और हमारे luggage को भी carry करता है. Now let's do it. Now look at this picture of the people who helps us and write below the picture that they are called. And also write the jobs they do for us. ठीक है? He is farmer. He is farmer. What he do for us? Grow crops. Right? Then we have weaver. Makes clothes. Then he is hawker. Sell things. Then we have barber. What he do? He cuts our hair. He is cobbler. What he do? Men's shoes. Then we have rickshaw puller. Carry Then we have blacksmith. make scissors and knives. Blacksmith क्या बनाता है? Scissor बनाता है और knives बनाता है. Then we have mentioned what he do? Makes walls. ठीक है, या ब्रिक ले करता. Now it's teacher tips. That's the students that teacher का काम है. You have to not do nothing in this. Then we have professionals. Now there are some professional also. They do their work with their knowledge and intelligence. देखो बहुत सारे professions होते हैं, professionals होते हैं जो अपनी knowledge से और अपने knowledge से work करते हैं. What are they called? They are teachers, judges, journalists, lawyers, doctors. What are these? These are professionals. Like a teacher helps the students with his teaching to be a good human being. Judges, what he do? He passes judgment in a court. Journalist information collect करता है, news collect करता है from different places. Then we have lawyer जो हमें legal advice देता है. Doctor treats patient और engineer make construction plans और machinery बनाता है. Now all the laborers and professional are important. चाहे laborers हो चाहे professionals हो, they both are important for us. We depend upon them on various self. We must respect all the workers and professional and the इसलिए हमें सारे जो laborers हैं चाहे वो professional है हम उनकी respect करनी चाहिए. Now people are different income group. There are many people, they have different income group. Everyone does not have same economic condition in the society. There are people of different incomes, like some are rich, some are poor, but all are equal because all are human beings. सब क्या है? Human beings. Therefore we should respect all whether rich or poor. चाहे rich हो चाहे poor हो, हमें सबकी respect करनी चाहिए. Now different abled people. Some people cannot see, hear, speak or walk. They are called different abled people. There are special school for the people with different ability. People who cannot read or speak learn to communicate by using the sign language. जो नहीं देख पाते लिख पाते उनको हम साइन लैंग्वेज के थ्रू सिखाते हैं, जिसे हम ब्रेली भी कहते हैं. स्पेशल स्कूल टीच लिप रीडिंग टू सच स्टूडेंट्स सो दैट दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड साइन लैंग्वेज. पीपल विद वीक आई साइट यूज स्पेक्टिकल्स टू रीड द राइट. देखो ना जिनकी आई साइट वीक होती है हम स्पेक्टिकल्स का यूज करते हैं देखने के. द पीपल हु कैन नॉट सी लर्न टू रीड बाय यूजिंग ब्रेली. देखो जो देख ही नहीं पाते वो ब्रेली का यूज करते हैं. And the Braille script is a system of reading people who cannot see. The script uses raised dot to read, and the blind feel the raised letter placed on a thick paper. Each Braille character is made up of 6 dots. A dot may be raised at any of the 6 position. Dots क्या होती है? वो raised होती है अपनी 6 position पे. Now the people who cannot walk, hear, speak or need our love and care. And what we should do, we should respect them, we should care them and be ready to help them so they can live a comfortable life. So, the Braille script किसने invent करी थी? Louis Braille. Now, old people. Now, let's talk about the old people. The senses of sight and hearing weakens as people grow. Old people need our love and affection and we must help them. और हम उनकी हेल्प भी करनी चाहिए टू मेक देयर लाइफ कंफर्टेबल, जिनसे हम उसकी लाइफ को कैसा बना सके? कंफर्टेबल बना सके. सम ओल्ड पीपल हैव नो वन टू टेक केयर ऑफ देम. दे लिव इन अ स्पेशल होम कॉल्ड ओल्ड एज होम्स एंड व्हाट वी शुड डू, वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट देम. चाइल्ड लेबर इन मेनी पुअर फैमिलीज, चिल्ड्रंस एज बिटवीन 5 to 40, दे डू नॉट गो टू स्कूल. वो स्कूल नहीं जाते हैं एंड आर फोर्स टू अर्न मनी फॉर देयर फैमिली. उनको फोर्स करा जाता है कि आप अपने फैमिली के लिए मनी अर्न करो एंड दिस इज नोन एज चाइल्ड लेबर. इसे क्या गलत कहा जाता है? चाइल्ड लेबर. दे वर्क एज सर्वेंट्स इन होम्स और एट टी शॉप. ये एक सर्वेंट की तरह वर्क करते हैं. ठीक है. सम चिल्ड्रंस हैव टू वर्क एज हॉकर्स एंड दे सेल थिंग्स. वो चीज़ों को सेल करता है डोर टू डोर एंड दीज चिल्ड्रंस डू नॉट गेट एजुकेशन फॉर लैक ऑफ मनी. चाइल्ड लेबर स्टॉप द फिजिकल एंड मेंटल ग्रोथ ऑफ चाइल्ड. और ये चिल्ड्रंस हैं इनको एजुकेशन नहीं मिलती है एंड व्हाट दे डू, दे स्टॉप्स द फिजिकल एंड mental growth of a fight against child labor. There are many organizations like the United Nations International Children Emergency Fund, UNICEF, or Child Relief and Ukraine, International Labour Organization, or Salam Balak Trust. What are these? These look after the lives of children and they help them to fight against child labor. और वो उनको help करता है कि वो किससे fight करे against the child labor. And in many countries it is compulsory for every child to get basic education. In India too, it is known as compulsory for every child to go to school, जिसमें उस अभियान को क्या बोला जाता है, सर्व शिक्षा अभियान. That gives free education, bags, uniform and even midday meal. ठीक है, फ्री एजुकेशन देते हैं, बैग्स देते हैं, ड्रेसेस देते हैं, मिड डे मील भी देते हैं. तो द सर्व शिक्षा अभियान इज अ प्रोग्राम दैट इज रन इन इंडिया बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. कौन रन करता है इसे? गवर्नमेंट. इंडिया में जो गवर्नमेंट है हमारी उसको रन करता है, दैट इज सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, यूनिसेफ. Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood. Now I will start the exercise of the chapter. We will recall what all we have studied in the chapter. First is, let's discuss who give financial support to our family. Parents. Do you think labor work very hard to earn their livelihood? Yes. What profession would you like to choose in your future? वो आपको बताना है कि आप किस प्रोफेशन में जाना चाहते हैं. देखो कुछ बच्चे डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, ठीक है, कुछ लॉयर्स, कुछ टीचर्स, कुछ ऑफिसर्स बनना चाहते हैं. There are many profession that children want to choose in their future life. Now take the correct option. Who grows rice, wheat, pulses and vegetable for us? कौन grow करता है? Fisherman, potter या farmer? तो कौन करता है? Farmer. Who has judge in his work? Teacher, doctor, lawyer? Lawyer. Who teaches us? कौन पढ़ाता है? Teacher. Many old people live in old age home because they have children. They do not have children of caretaker. Both. या तो बच्चे नहीं है या फिर केयर टेकर ही. नाउ आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. हु प्रोवाइड अस लीगल हेल्प? लॉयर. व्हाट डू इंजीनियर्स डू? मेक plans of the building or construction of the site. Write down the names of 5 workers and 5 professionals. Workers में आपके टेलर, बार्बर, कॉबलर, ब्लैकस्मिथ, ठीक है, हॉकर्स, ये सब आ जाते हैं. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट प्रोफेशनल, वी हैव टीचर्स, डॉक्टर्स, लॉयर, judges. Now why should we respect all workers and profession? Because they are doing work for us. They are helping us in our daily life. What is occupation? Any work which is done for earning money. It is known as occupation. What do you mean by different able people? These are the people, those who don't have caretaker or their children, and we should help them in each and every situation. Now fill in the blanks suitably. Those who do physical work are called. जो physical work करते हैं, what they are called? They are called laborers. What are they called? Laborers. We must dash all work and professional. We must respect. A dash lays bricks to build houses. कौन ले करता है? Machine. There are many poor children in our society. Now write yes or no. We can do all types of job. False. So no we will write. Farmer weaves clothes in a loom. No. Farmer क्या करता है? क्रॉप ग्रो करता है. और कौन वीव करता है? वीवर. अ ब्लैकस्मिथ मेक्स पॉट विथ क्ले. नो. ब्लैकस्मिथ क्या बनाता है? सिजर बनाता है, नाइफ्स बनाता है. और पॉट्स कौन बनाता है? पॉटर बनाता है. वी डिपेंड ऑन वर्कर्स एंड प्रोफेशनल फॉर मेनी सर्विसेज. यस. राइट. Now we are done with this chapter. Hope you understood. We will meet in the next class now. That's all for today. Thank you.